going to the airport. Oh, lilipad ulit. This time, punta muna ako ng Florida. Business trip sa Florida. Tapos, eto, sa halip na mag-Uber ang asawa ko. O, di ba mabait? Ganyan dapat ang pinagkakasalan. Yung inuuna ka, kailangan nag-e-effort para sa'yo. Huwag naman abuso, ha? Tamtaman lang. So, ito kayong kami. Punta na kami ng airport. Ihatid niya ako. At pupunta ng Palm Beach. Yay! See you later for more video.
Arrival departures. Turn here, right?
Yes. Thank God there's nothing there. Are we in the B? This is B, right?
Yeah. You said 18, right?
Right. Dito na sa airport. Maghanap na ako ng gate ko. Ayan. Ayan. Kumikintabang noo. Airport. Gala muna tayo bago mag-Pilipinas. Business trip. Ano ba yan? Kumikintab ng ganyan. Business trip muna tayo. Diba? Andito tayo ngayon sa airport. Gala-gala. Hanap tayo ng gate ko. Gate ko muna. Pinalipat kami ng ibang pinalipat kami ng ibang terminal. Takbo-takbo ka na naman ngayon. Ayan, takbo-takbo. Mabuti inabot ko. Ayun, pinalipat kami dati Terminal B, ngayon Terminal A na. So kailangan itong tumakbo para abutin mo yung boarding. Tapos wala naman yung eroplano dito. Ayan na, dumating din finally yung eroplano. Pinalipat kami galing Terminal B papuntang A. Ayun na siya. Dumating din sa wakas ang aming sasakyan. Kaloka, diba? Palilipatin ka ng paiba-iba. Mahirap din lumipad kasi maraming cancellation.
Platform doors not closed. Turned off. Keep the aisle clear of all items. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and surrounding areas to ensure you have all your personal belongings such as cell phones,
Welcome, Palm
tablets,
Beach,
chargers, passports,
Florida.
or AirPod cases because once you come off this plane, you cannot come back on for security.
Cloudy weather. Cloudy dito. Sana wag umulan. Palm Beach, Florida. This is Florida. Palm Beach, Florida Airport. Ito siya. Hanapin natin yung baggage claim. Layo pa ah. Baggage claim, saan ba? Na tayo ng luggage. Hand carry ko, pina-check-in. Wala na raw silang spot o space sa bagahe. So, ayan na tayo.
En un cuarto de milla, usa los 3 carriles de la izquierda para mantener izquierda en James L. Kentucky Boulevard hacia terminal. Parking. Exit.
Like a cloudy or it's just normal weather?
No, it's normal.
Beautiful. My first time in Palm Beach.
Oh, your first time in Palm Beach?
Yeah.
Where you
I
live?
went to Saratoga one time.
Where you live?
This is a work.
Oh,
I'm here for work.
coming for work?
Yeah,
What is
5 days.
What is your original country?
I'm a Philippines, but I came from Texas.
You live in Texas?
Yes, I've been living there for so long.
What part of Texas?
DFW, Fort Worth.
Dallas Fort Worth?
Yes.
My driver my plate is Texas.
Oh, your lady is Texas? Texan.
My plate. I'm from Cuba.
Oh, okay. So you're close by here.
Uh,
Cuba is close to Florida, right?
Yep, same. I live in Midland, Texas.
Oh, wow. You like it there?
No, it's ugly.
Oh my God, I have no option. But now I'm selling I'm selling my house and go somewhere else.
Fort Worth is more pretty.
Oh God.
Not like it.
I don't like it there, but you know what? I made it for 15 years.
Wow.
15 years.
I live in for change.
Yeah, I can understand how you feel. And cold. And it's summertime. I love it here. Look at that. Well, look at that road.
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
Beauty. And it's what time is it? 7 o'clock? 7:27.
Yep, 7:27.
So what time it get dark in here? 9?
Around the 8:30.
Okay. See how pretty that sunset, sundown.
It's a beautiful sunset.
Look at those palm trees. Awesome. This is like Philippines, the weather.
Yep.